Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Hot Years. I'm Rochelle, and today's video is going to be on the bargain bead box. And this is just a few things that I've made while I give my intro here to the bargain bead box. So I can't wait to get started with that. But these are just a few things I've been working on. And these are the Russian spiral bracelets here. Aren't they gorgeous? I mean, look at those. They're just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is a necklace that I made. You can wear it as one long strand, or you can double it. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? And you can find these on my store, the beadedjewelstore.com. Okay, and we'll be doing a video on how to do the Russian spiral bracelet. So look for that in the next couple weeks. I'll try to get it done as soon as possible. There's a lot of different versions out there on how to do this particular stitch. And it's just basically one stitch going all the way around, which makes it really fun to do. It doesn't take long to do. You can, like, you know, even watch TV while you're doing it, because it's just one stitch all the way around. But I've seen it done. Now, I didn't invent the stitch, but I've seen it done so many different ways that I thought I would just show you how I do it. So look for that in my coming videos. Okay, and we'll get started with the bargain bead box. Here we go. Now I haven't peeked at it, so let's get started here. Okay. I literally just got this in the mail. So let's see. Here we go. So if you haven't subscribed to it, they are still taking August signups. Okay, so now till, like, I believe August 9th, you can subscribe to the bargain bead box. Okay, they really have, like, quality components, unbeatable value for $17.95 a month, and always a surprise theme. So that's it's a lot of fun. So here we go. I'll read this to you. Tell you what it's about. Okay, so the theme this month is Wildflower Meadow. And it says, summer is the season of lazuli flitting. I guess it's flitting, F-L-I-T-D-I-N-G. I'm not sure. Butterflies and brilliant flowers. Okay. We've combined these motifs with colors inspired by the Pendant 2021 palette for a vivid collection of cheerful floral hues. Fuchsia agate is our star with a bright petal-like pendant, while quartz, iridescent glass, crystal, and floral porcelain add on trend touches of lilac, lavender, and pale rose. Grassy green accents, pressed glass shapes, and silver finish findings complete the collection. And always they'll have, you know, 30% off coupon code here you can use at their sister store, which is the bargain bead box. And you can always submit what you use, what you make from the bargain bead box here, to win a $25 gift card. So let's get started. Looks like they have 21 items in this one. Let's see. Okay. And it's in a pink organza bag this time. Pretty. Get that out of the way. And here we go. Okay. Well, let's see. Let me find number one here. Here's number one. Get those out of the way. Okay, so number one, a two-piece enameled butterfly pendant in antique silver. Now I'm gonna pull in a little bit. There you go. How cute are these? And I like that they have the little hole here on the side so it dangles. It'll dangle on the side there. Whoops. Then get in a little tighter. Oh, there we go. So that is really cute. Okay. And number 2. Where are you? Here we go, number 2. 15-inch strand, 4 mil crystal bicone beads in grass green. And these are gorgeous. Look at those. Look how they sparkle. Okay, number 3. Number 3 is a 14 by 5-inch strand of 6 mil fuchsia agate round beads. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Isn't that gorgeous? These are absolutely gorgeous. Love, love, love these. Wow. They are so vivid and bright in person. Okay, number 4. Here we go. So number 4 is some chain. It is some steel jewelry chain. Oh, be nice if I had it in frame there. There you go. It's pretty. And it's more of a chunky type of chain. So that's really pretty. Okay. Number 5, where are you? There we go. Number 5. Number 5 is a 30 by 28 mil flower pendant in antique silver. Look at that big hunk of gorgeousness right there. Isn't that cool? Whoop. Look at that. And here's the back. It has some built-in bail on it. Where is my, right there. This is super cool. Love this. It looks really antique. Love that. And where's the number? Is this number 6? Yeah. This is a 30-piece floral patterns scalloped bead caps. Let's see. They are cute and keeping with the kind of antique theme going. Let's see that. There we go. Oops. Back this way. One day I'll get it right. Okay. And 7 is spacers, daisy spacers. Okay, that's what they look like. And here's number 8. 8 is 10-piece pressed glass leaf beads in green crystal ombre. If I can get it open, it would be great to see them. There we go. These are really pretty. And it has the etching on the one side. And pre-drilled holes. So there you go. And 9. 9 is a 7.5-inch strand of 8 by 6 mil crystal rondelle beads in light rose AB. And the AB stands for Aurora Borealis. That's what gives it that extra twinkle and sparkle on the finish of the bead. There you go. It's pretty. And 10. There we go. Oh, it says here 10 is a free extra 32 by 18 mil glass rectangle pendant with a pressed flower. Here we go. Ready? Oops. Is it backwards? No, it's the same on both sides. So look at that. Isn't that cool? How cool is that? And it has a built-in bail for us already. So we can just put some chain in there and go. Let me get that back in focus for you. This is so pretty. It's the same on both sides. Really cool looking. Love that. Okay, number 12. No, number 11. I think next time I'll just lay them out. These are cool. Look at those. So these are a piece 16 by 10 mil double-sided daisy links. Same on both sides. Really nice and textured. It has a nice weight to it. These are really pretty. 12. 12 is a 6-piece, 6-petal flower charm. These are really pretty also. Look at that. Look at the texture on that. These are really pretty. And it is textured just on one side. Really nice. Has some weight to them also. Okay. 13, where are you? Here we go. 13. This is a four sets, 19 by 12 mil dotted flower toggle clasp. Okay. These are cute. These are super cute, in keeping with the theme. Look at that. Love these. Super sparkly. Okay. 14. 14 is a 10-piece strand of 10 mil floral porcelain beads. These are pretty. Look at that. These are gorgeous. This is going to give it that old world looking type of jewelry. It's just so pretty. Love this. $15 is a 2-piece 19 by 23 butterfly charms and antique silver. I'll just pull one out. Oh, I'll take both of them out. There they are. These are cute. This is a 10-piece strand of a 10 mil lilac quartz. It's really pretty. These are gorgeous. And 17. 17 is a 7.5-inch strand of 8 mil iridescent moonstone glass beads, and these are man-made. There you go. These are cool. So they look like, sometimes they look purple, sometimes it looks red. You can see it better there. Sometimes they look purple and then red. That's pretty cool. Wow. 18 is a 4-piece 10 by 11 mil pressed glass butterfly beads. There they are. And they have the hole like right in the middle of the bead at the top, kind of. There you go. And 19 is a 5-piece 15.5 mil pressed glass petal beads in magenta, ombre, gold shimmer. Oops. Looks like one of mine is chipped. Which one is chipped? Maybe not. That little piece was in there. I'm not sure where that came from. No? Okay. It doesn't seem to be from any of these. But these are really pretty. Look at that. Just love how it got that deep red at the bottom. And then it goes into that gold ombre up there. Gold, the little gold shimmer ombre. So pretty. And again, it has a drilled hole. Did I say that right? Here is 20. 20 is approximately a 50 mil dragon vein agate marquise pendant. Look at that. Look at that. Put my finger on there so you can kind of get a sense of size. This is a big one. So this is more flat on this side, a little more oval on this side. You got your drilled hole up here. Wow. I'll hold it in my hand so you can get, look at that. This takes up the whole palm of my hand. Get my measuring tape out here. Look at that. It's a nice, this is beautiful. Let's just see. So, yep, 2 inches long. And 1.25 inches wide. So that is a hefty piece. And 21. 21 is a 7-inch strand of 4 by 3 mil lavender quartz dyed faceted rondelle beads. There we go. This is so cute. These are so pretty. Just love the theme in this one, in this month's box. Oh, what am I saying? I love all of them. I can't be partial. Here they are. That kind of concludes our video. I hope you get your box, bargain bead box, soon in the mail if you're expecting one. And you can always post whatever you make in my comments if you wish. I'd love to see what you're making. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, give it a thumbs up. Look at that. Just gorgeous. And that is it for this video. Come back again and see what I'm up to next week. And check out my jewelry on the beadedjewelstore.com. And I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for taking your time to watch. Bye-bye.